Guys, check it out. 2007 Ram 1500 4.7 liter. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Converter there, wires into a single 3-inch pipe, and then he wanted it straight pipe and then tucked and dumped. So I'm gonna show you guys what the tucked and dump looks like. So as you guys can see, there's the tailpipes on each side. And then he wanted them tucked and dumped, so we had to do a lot of custom bending there, as you can see, to get it tucked and dumped. This was really big back in the day, and it's coming back again apparently. So we've been doing a lot of tucked and dump lately. But there it is, look at that. Really nice and clean. Right there out the sides, on each side. Tucked and dumped. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe.
All right, guys, we got 2021 Ram 1500. So anyways, factory converters there, factory converter there. There's where we started our true tool at, right there. Ran it over into the X pipe. 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out, and 2 1/4 tailpipe, all brand new. It goes out the back. Nice black double wall tips right there and right there. The full system. That's all the old stuff we took off. There's the tailpipe, Y pipe right there, and then the Y pipe after the cats right here. The old tips. We took all that off, put on new tips, new tailpipes, new everything. So there it is. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2022 Power Wagon. Look at this thing. 37s, lifted, just a fat truck. Wow, that is a beautiful truck. Custom winch, all that good stuff on it. Let me show you guys. Custom lift, Fox suspension. Nice. Anyways, let me show you what we've done on it. Factory converter. I don't know where the other one is. Right beside it, right there. So 2 factory converters, then it wires into a single there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back. We did a muffler delete on it. So we fully straight piped it. There's the muffler right there. There's the tailpipe. And then we did a resonator delete also and installed a fat 6-inch black tip out the back right there. Look at that. Clean, nice. Just came out beautiful. There's the muffler that was on it. There's the resonator that was on it. And that tailpipe right there. We took them all off. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe.
All right, guys. Got a beast. 2022 Ram TRX. We did muffler delete, left the X pipe on, left the cats alone, covered the weird mesh resonators they have on the back. It's like things that Chevy did a while back. At least Chevy got rid of them. Anyways, factory converter there, another factory converter over there, comes down, crosses over, goes into the X pipe there, left the X pipe alone, then took off the mufflers right there, did a 3-inch, both of them right there and right there. And then we closed the patches on these sides right there and right there. So now it's truly straight piped. Got rid of the weird little mesh flaps, whatever you want to call them. And they come factory with double wall angle cut black tips. 5-inch, looks like 5-inch. Right there and right there on each side. I've definitely gotten better on the Rams, putting less mufflers on it, which is awesome. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
I love that look. It's really clean. And it resonates off the ground. Nice clean idle on it. It's right at 84. Give it gas. Woohoo! That's loud. I love it. Nice. Sound decibels right at 107. Go ahead and back it out. You guys like it?
Yeah, it sounds
perfect. All right. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, off Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Shout out, guys. If you need any mobile mechanic work, hit them up. Tell them Exhaust Addicts sent you and they'll give you 10% off. That works? 10% off? Yeah. All right, so make sure you guys hit them up. Again? All right, perfect. on the inside.
Like it? Sound decibels? Hit 111 a second ago. You guys hear it on the inside.
Oh, that sounds phenomenal. And we got the doors closed, so it sounds even better. There's sound decibels. 120. What a beast. 6.4 liter Ram Power Wagon. Sound decibels again, and yeah, 120, that's crazy. There's the idle. Even gas? Yes, that's like shaking my chest. Sounds so good. I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. It sounds phenomenal. Got a nice look, stance to it. That 6-inch tip fits it perfectly. It's cold outside, guys. 14 degrees today. It's the coldest day of the year. He's gonna get a supercharger for it next, which I don't blame him. I would too. Make it even more of a beast. What a hoss. I like it. What do you think? You like it? Again? What a throaty truck, man. This sounds phenomenal.
All right, 2022 Ram TRX, muffler delete, resonator delete. So straight pipe, well, it has X pipe and cats, but straight pipe. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Here's the idle. Probably about 86. 86-ish, 87-ish. Probably hit about 120. Yeah. So peaked at 117, but 106. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
guys. He told me anybody that comes from Exhaust Addicts gets 10% off any mobile mechanic work. We just did this tucked and dumped 4.7 Ram. Here we go. You can see the tips barely, like, I love it. Really cool dudes, guys. So hit them up. They're really good at what they do. If you guys need any mobile mechanic work, we appreciate them coming in.
2021 Ram 1500, True Dual straight pipe with an X pipe, and black double wall tips.
I should have got a power wagon, but mine needs to be 1,000 horsepower. 'Cause another beautiful job done at Exhaust Addicts. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy.
2022 TRX straight pipe